Hey there, nuggets lover. Today we are diving into the crispy McDonald's style chicken nuggets. You can make them right at home. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add chicken mince, salt, white pepper, corn flour. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed and set them aside for 15 minutes so that the chicken mince is well seasoned. To make nuggets, grease your hand with oil. Take a spoonful amount of mince. Shape the mixture into nugget sized pieces about 1-2 inch in diameter. Place the formed nuggets on the plate. You can make 14 to 15 nuggets with half kg of mince. To make the coating mixture, take a large bowl, add 1 cup of corn flour, half cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. Now it's time to coat the nuggets. Take out the nuggets from the freezer. Dredge each nugget in the flour, shaking off any excess. You don't have to dip these nuggets into the egg or breadcrumbs because this recipe is totally different. In remaining flour mixture, add 1 cup of cold water. Mix well to make the batter. Now it's time to coat these nuggets into the batter. Dip each nugget into the batter. Carefully add the nuggets into the batches. Fry until golden brown and cook through about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once they are cooked, transfer them into the serving plate. And there you have it, crispy McDonald's style chicken nuggets made right in your kitchen. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel. Happy cooking.